Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we're looking at one Olympiad problem. Find all the integer pairs a comma b for which 2a square plus b whole cube is equal to b cube a. Some logic is there. As you are going to start this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So, how to solve this problem? Given 2a square plus b whole cube is equal to b cube a. Now, if b is equal to 0, then total 2a square plus b will be equal to 0. Here already b is 0, from which we get a also 0. So a comma b 0 0 is one solution. Now if b is not equal to 0, then so b cube LHS b cube and RHS LHS 2a square plus b whole cube are perfect cube. Are perfect cubes. By observation, we can say A is a perfect cube. A is also a perfect cube. So let A is equal to C cube. We are taking A as C cube. Then the equation becomes 2C power 6 plus B whole cube is equal to B cube C cube. Now, if you remove cube on both sides, 2c power 6 plus b is equal to bc. 2c power 6 is equal to bc minus b. This can be written as b into c minus 1. Now, c minus 1 and c will always be co-primes. C minus 1 and c will be always co-primes. Hence, c minus 1 is divisible by 2. So, c minus 1 will be possible values plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2. C minus 1 values will be plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2. It is divisible by 2. Now, if you take c minus 1 equal to 1, c minus 1 equal to minus 1, c minus 1 equal to 2, c minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Then what will happen? Here c value 2, c value 0, c value 3, c value minus 1. So here we have taken that a value is equal to c cube. A value is c cube. Here we'll get a is equal to 2 cube. Here a is equal to 0 cube, a is equal to 3 cube, a is equal to minus 1 cube. Now a will be 8, here will get 0, here will get 27, here will get minus 1. A value you are getting 0, minus 1, 8, 27. Then b values will be 2c power 6 by 2 power 6 by c minus 1. This is b value you are getting 2c power 6 by c minus 1. So here you will get if you substitute c value here, b will be 2 power 2 into 2 power 6 by 1. So b will be 2 power 7, that is 128. This is the first one. If you take the second one, so b value will be 0. So b value is 0 by anything, 0 will get. If you take the next one, so b value will be 2 into 3 power 6 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. B is equal to 729. And if you take the last one, B is equal to 2 into minus 1 power 6 by minus 1 minus 1. So B will be 2 by minus 2 will get minus 1. Now the possible values of A comma B is equal to 0 comma 0, minus 1 comma minus 1, 8 comma 128, 27 comma 729. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.